Hello, my name is Paula Margaida, and today we embark on a journey into one of the most remarkable ecosystems on Earth, the tropical rainforest. Join me as we delve into the mysteries and wonders of these ancient landscapes. Imagine a world of towering trees where the air is thick with humidity and the ground teems with life. This is the rainforest, a sanctuary of biodiversity and natural marvels. Did you know that the rainforests have graced our planet for over 70 million years, making them one of the oldest living ecosystems? To truly understand the rainforest, we must first look at the biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic factors focus on living organisms within an ecosystem, such as plants, animals, fungi, and bacteria. Meanwhile, abiotic factors are all the non living elements that shape the environment, including water, temperature, humidity, and sunlight. The rainforest is considered a very biotic ecosystem. This is because it carries many different types of species since it's one of the oldest ecosystems there is. Some common species are dart frogs, parrots, toucans, beetles, butterflies, praying mantis, etc. The rainforest is usually known for its abiotic factors and how they affect the way of living. An example is water. This is since it rains almost every day on an average range from 50 to 30 inches of rainfall per year. This makes incredible amount of moisture, which leads to unique adaptations in plant species. This means they capture nutrients before they get washed away by heavy rainforest. The next important abiotic factor is the temperature. Temperature in the forest vary by region. On average, temperature rarely gets higher than 34 degrees or lower than 20. This connects with the next important abiotic factor, which is humidity. Rainforests average from 77 to 88% wet increase, which enriches the soil with nutrients used by the trees. Last, we have sunlight, which is the trickiest abiotic factor in the rainforest, given of its large vegetation and the canopy, which is the denser layer of greenery about 20 feet thick, formed by the next tallest trees. Not much sunlight can get past the vegetation. The next important thing you need to know about rainforests to understand better are the biochemical cycles. The most important biochemical cycles in the rainforest are the carbon, nitrogen, oxygen cycle. Diseases in rainforests play a key role in the global climate control and terrestrial. The carbon cycle is essential to the function of the rainforest system. Trees absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and store it in all their stems, branches, and roots. The carbon is then transferred to the forest soil through natural processes like leaf fall and tree death. The oxygen cycle is closely linked to the carbon cycle. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis, acting as a major oxygen factories. There's two important equations that we need to know to understand the oxygen cycles, which are aerobic respiration and photosynthesis, as we have previously learned. These interconnected biochemical cycles highlight the vital role of the rainforest in global climate control and terrestrial carbon sequestration. By understanding and preserving these cycles, we can protect the invaluable ecological services provided by rainforest. However beautiful, breathtaking, and important the rainforest seems, there lies a looming threat: deforestation and habitat destruction. Human activities such as logging, agriculture, and mining have ravaged these pristine habitats, leading to irreversible loss of biodiversity and ecological imbalance. The consequences of deforestation ripple far and wide, affecting not only rich tapestry of life within the rainforest, but also the global climate by disrupting essential ecological services and releasing vast amounts of carbon into the atmosphere. Deforestation exacerbates climate change and threatens the well-being of our planet. Therefore, destroying the rainforest for our benefit is actually counterproductive, since it's bringing more harm than good. Approximately 15 billion trees are cut down each year. According to a study about tree density published in Nature, the number of trees worldwide has decreased by 46% since the start of civilization. Forest loss also reduces the availability of renewable sources such as medical plants, nuts, etc. Another important aspect to take in mind is that rainforests act like sponges to ensure a regular flow of clean water. So by cutting the rainforest, we're not only destroying habitat, but also bringing dangers to the communities because of floods. Yet, amidst the challenges, there is hope. Scientists, conservationists, and indigenous communities are rallying together to protect and restore our rainforest. From innovative technologies like drones, monitoring, and reforestation to grassroots initiatives empowering local communities, a multitude of solutions are emerging. Drones equipped with advanced sensors are revolutionizing how we monitor rainforests. By using satellite imagery, these drones can quickly identify deforestation, even in small areas where only patches of trees have been cut down. This level of detail allows authorities to take early action to address the issue. Furthermore, drones are invaluable for tracking legal activities in forests. They can monitor movements such as traffic between farms and mills, as well as detect signs of pest infestations. This enhanced level of surveillance improves our ability to manage and protect forest areas. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones are becoming increasingly vital in fire management. They offer critical advantages by accessing remote and hazardous areas, tracking fire movement, and providing real time data to firefighters. Equipped with thermal cameras and sensors, UAVs can quickly detect hotspots, enabling prompt action. They also carry payloads like water or fire retardants for precise drops. Additionally, drones assist in search and rescue operations by locating missing individuals in dense forest areas. In addition to all this monitoring, drones are also being utilized for reforestation efforts. Companies and NGOs are employing specialized seeding drones with artificial intelligence capabilities to accelerate the planting process. These drones can plant seeds up to 25 times faster than manual planting, dropping thousands of seed pods each day, even in remote and hazardous areas that are difficult for human access. One notable example is air seeds, which claim 1 million seed pods a year by 2024. Last, one of the solutions that have come to our attention are indigenous tribes, which are leveraging traditional knowledge and sustainable practices to safeguard their ancestral lands. Regarding traditional knowledge, the FAO has revealed how indigenous and local communities utilize systems of production that are less damaging to their ecosystem of rainforest. In addition, indigenous people utilize forestry management strategies such as assisted forest regeneration, selective harvesting, and reforestation, along with tree growth assistance inside extinct forests, which have been acknowledged as a cost-efficient strategies to cut out carbon emissions. While drones offer significant benefit in forest monitoring and management, they also come with their various challenges and limitations. Their limited battery life restricts the duration of operations, while ecological and social impacts such as noise disturbance, habitat alterations, and privacy concerns must be carefully addressed. Additionally, safety risk to people and animals on the ground, especially during activities like crop spraying, highlights the importance of stringent safety protocols. Moreover, the initial cost of drones, along with the maintenance and operator training expense, can be quite a bit. Complex with regulations including airspace restrictions and privacy laws adds another layer of complexity and cost to drone usage. Furthermore, drones are weather dependent, unable to operate in adverse conditions like heavy rain, snow, or strong winds, which can limit their effectiveness in certain areas of the rainforest throughout the year. Balancing the benefits of drone technology while these challenges require careful consideration and management to ensure sustainable and responsible use in rainforest conservation efforts. But the battle to save our rainforest isn't fought solely in the depths of the jungle. Each and every one of us has a role to play. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for environmental conservation, we can be agents for change. Whether it's reducing our carbon footprint, supporting responsible brands, or getting involved in community initiatives, every action counts. Together, we can preserve the rainforest for future generations and protect the invaluable treasures they hold. As we're trying to save our rainforest, we can't help prevent damage done. The long-term solution is to address the underlying causes, including finding ways to farm without needing the constant carve of fresh fields from our forest. From individuals and NGOs to government and global brands, the focus needs to be on promoting better farming practices, such as regenerating agriculture, which keeps soil healthy enough to farm the same land over and again, and productive enough to meet the world's growing needs. These actions taken now will help us preserve the forest we have and restore the forest we've lost for the good of people and the planet. As we stand at the crossroads of environmental stewardship, let us remember that the fate of our rainforest rests in our hands. Let us choose wisely, for in saving the rainforest, we safeguard not only the wonders of nature, but also the very future of our planet. Thank you for listening.